Gutter rat Joey strikes again. Bro, come on, man. You making it too easy. Making it too easy for me, man. You making it too easy. You are on a bus or train. It really doesn't matter. They both the same. Then you are on a train bus. Think you looking cool too, boy. With your little flowery shirt on. I mean, bro. I guess that's your attire to what? What? That means you got buku money now or something in your pocket? I noticed you didn't say nothing. I noticed that. Because good Lord, bro. A turd can dress up in a tie, but it's still a turd. You will always be a turd, bro. You can't beat it. You cannot get that off of you, man. You are always going to be a loser, a loser, a loser. But you'll be a gutter rat loser now. Bro, it's just, it is what it is, man. You're a terrible rapper. You're a terrible, terrible loser. Did I say you was a terrible rapper yet? Oh, yeah, I probably said that, too. I mean, bro, you just something else, bro. Something else. You know, it's funny to me. You know, you think because you say my daughter, you're going to be curling my daughter. Bro, look. Like I said before, one, my daughter a little bit too much for you, bro. She's an intelligent, beautiful young lady. And you don't like women that can think for themselves, act for themselves, and make their own money. Because if you did, you might have had a woman. But since you probably don't like women because seeing that your nasty-ass dad like little boys, you probably gonna start liking little boys. You know, you look like an underwear tickler. You look like you like putting your little fingers in some underwear. And I ain't talking about panties neither. You like those boys. Because I don't see why a grown man got a tramp stamp on the back of his back. I've never seen a dude have a tattoo on his lower back right above his butthole. Never. And you know why? Because we are real men. Real men don't get little girl tattoos. So, you know, I'm just saying, you know, since you brought up my daughter, you know, and you thought you was gonna get me and rub me, roll me the wrong way, about to get on here screaming. Duh, duh, duh. Oh, no, rat. No, rat. Don't work like that, rat. Remember, bro, your daddy was a underwear tickler. You are probably a underwear tickler. You probably like sucking the pole, too. Oh, you look like you are a rapper. You be rapping to that mic on that penis. When that dude come by, he look at you. You know that mouth for it. Get on your knees, sneeze, Joey rat sneeze. You thought you was cool too with that nasty looking ring. Did you wipe the boogers off of it? Cause you know you dig up your nose every 5 seconds of that thing on your fingers. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You thought you was gonna get me all riled up, didn't you? Loser! A second, bro. Hey, did you ever walk in on your daddy getting his meat sucked by some little boy? Because I know he probably had you sucking his meat, didn't you? You little loser. Mm-hmm. Jesus Christ, man, you're a great loser. Man, what'd you do? Go to Goodwill, get that shirt and tie? You probably got the same jeans on and those disgusting British Dykes or LA Gear shoes you be playing basketball in. Jesus, bro. Stop it. I'm begging you. Stop giving me material. Bro. And thirdly, why are you such a loser and you cannot stay off YouTube? Please, let's talk about that, loser. You just don't want to get off YouTube, do you, bro? Everybody on here clowns, everybody this, everybody that. But you're on here too, so doesn't that make you a clown too? Ooh, you didn't see that coming, did you, clown? You see, I'm a clown. You see, Frost a clown. I guess my wife a clown. And I like it. That's real key. You know, it's me, but you keep saying it's my wife. So it's cute, but when you finally do see me, and you're not coming to see me, try to lie, say you're on that train, get the F out of here. You scared of your own shadow. You scared of your own shadow. You don't even know where I stay at a second. You know what? Even if you did know where I stay at, your sorry self wouldn't come. Little weak. Bro, I will whoop you, man. Bro, you have no idea, bro. When I come see you, man. Once again, don't act like you didn't know. I gave you a gauntlet for the third time. Put up or shut up. I said I put up 500. You put up 500. You see how it turned out. Rat. You are such a sissy boy, bro. You think you can hide behind the internet. You think you can hide behind your words. You say one thing and people ain't go catch on to what you're trying to do. Loser. I told you and I'll tell you again. Losers don't win. That's why you're a loser. Loser. Tyree, look at wow. See, I'm dang, I showed a little too much, so I called you Tyree. Rat. Look it up in the dictionary. Look it up the definition of a loser. It will have your face, Charlie's face, Blaha's face, and your little faggot dad's face. All four of y'all be right on that page. With all y'all stupid looks on y'all faces. Every last one of y'all. You know what's funny? Every last one of y'all have a problem with women. Ain't that crazy? All four of y'all. You definitely. You just fighting yourself. You just fighting yourself. You just fighting it. You like, no. I don't want sucked meat. No, I don't want sucked meat. I just don't want to suck meat. My daddy did it, so I can't do it. But sooner or later, Buttercup, you drop into those knees, bro, and you speaking to that mic. Good. Charlie Zenoff, that boy is just waiting to be a rapist and going straight to prison for 20 years. That dude is going to prison any day now. We go get him. We go see on the news. Yes, a fake boxer / internet loser has been arrested today for attempted rape on a minor, and he has said that we shouldn't have been arresting him because he's a champion boxer, pound for pound boxer. So I don't know why he's getting arrested for rape. That's him. Jason Blaha, that dude just need to just admit that he's gay. You know what I mean? He's gay. Wearing those little itty bitty shorts on camera all the time. Jesus Christ, man. You can see his little cherry nuts all through those goddamn little shorts, man. Jesus, put something on those shorts. And your little freaking faggoty father, he lucky he died because his butt should have been in prison. Little nasty, disgusting loser. So, you look up loser, y'all four gonna be in that category. That's the only thing y'all are stunt, but rats and losers. Rats and losers. I say it again. Rats and losers. And you really thought you was super fly when you put that shirt on at that time. You was like, yeah. as you got to take your book bag with all your belongings in it. That's another thing, bro. Ain't you embarrassed that all your belongings could fit in a goddamn book bag? A book bag, not a duffel bag, not a duffel bag, a book bag. A book bag. What are you, 13? And secondly, what grown man count his money like that every time you get some? What grown man would rather sleep in hotel to hotel without a place to call their own? What grown man would rather stay in a hotel a couple of days here, a couple of days there, and say it's yours? It is yours till 11 o'clock in the morning. When that door when that cleaning lady knock on that door and says housekeeping, get out. That's when your ownership of that gut, that piss and rave room is yours. You know, it blows my mind, man. With you and that other dude, Wolford, y'all two, and you had the nerve to be mad at that dude for getting donations. Donations. You called him a loser, a bum, this and that. When, to be honest with you, loser, y'all both the same. He just older than you. Bro, you know what you should do? You should look at him real good and say, wow, that's my life in about 5 years. That's what you should be looking at. Because your life is just like his in about 5 years, bro. Y'all are two men that literally gave up on being a productive citizen in this world. And you know what? And this is the craziness about y'all too. He has a loser woman with him. And he is like literally has two losers. It's him and his girl literally giving up on life and saying, I'd rather be a bum, loser, homeless, and call it van life instead of being a productive citizen. And you are literally by yourself. Don't have no woman, no money, no girl, no house to call your own, no family that wants you, and you're perfectly fine with it. Because I know you're perfectly fine with it because you keep doing it. You keep doing it. You say you got all this money, say you got this and that. Well, get a mother effing studio apartment, you loser. Oh, because you don't got none. You don't got no money to get a studio apartment. You are a 30-year-old man that begged for birthday wishes. Begged for birthday wishes, bro. Who begs for birthday wishes? you was literally like, it would be nice. It'd be nice, to get a happy birthday, You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But I like my life. I like my life. As you saying, I like my life, Look at this sweet, sweet room. You notice I said room, not apartment, not house. You said, I got this sweet room. I could put posters up. You know what I mean? I could put posters up again behind me. Yeah, man. I love my life, About 25 minutes later, it'd be nice to get some birthday wishes, I'm by myself, I'm by myself, That Wolford guy getting donations. I'm sitting here telling y'all the truth, and y'all ain't giving me no money. Oh, but Mr. Baller Rat, you got money, remember? You always got money. You the only person I know that can make $25 and be like, see, now I got $37K with this $24.59. That would make me with $38K now. Yeah, man, I'm doing good, man. I love my life. I'm making this money. I got my career. And once again, Labor ready is not a career, bro. Sorry to bust your bubble. It is not a career. Bro, you know this as well as I know. You ain't getting no checks coming in from your job. You get paid every freaking day. And secondly, I don't know what you waiting on. You know the government go kick your monthly Social Security check out. Because you know that rapping, they said to you, they told you, they pay you, you better stop rapping forever. Or they gonna call the police on you because you are hurting people out here with this rapping and your disabledness. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So you better stop. Stop waiting around and act like you ain't getting no check for the government. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Another thing, take those women glasses off. You wore some female sunglasses, bro, and thought you was cool. Where you going? Where you going? Where are you? What can you possibly be going that you needed to put on that flowery shirt and that red tie and those female sunglasses? Where you going? Where you going, to the pawn shop to go get your big disgusting paperweight necklace and that ring, bro? That ring. Ugh. That thing should be about green by now. Don't you think? For either the boogers or it being like that dang fake. Which one is it, bro? Oh, God, man. You are a rat. You are the rat of rats, bro. And boogers and cum. That's what they're calling you. Boogers and cum, man. That's all you are. South Park. Boogers and cum. And you know what, bro? Your disgusting butt was eating out that day, acting like, talking about the bread was cold and this was cold. This be real. You are a cheap rat. You didn't want to give that chick no tip, but your sorry self go show. Oh, I paid $21. You know how dumb you look doing that? You going out to eat, and you ain't even got a freaking place to lay your head down the next day, but you going out to eat every day. Are you really that dumb? You would rather try to look cool and act like you got money than being smart and getting yourself a studio apartment or something. And you know, it's funny. That young dude came on here and he showed at least $4,000 or $5,000. At least. If you'd have had that, bro, you would have been showing it every day, all day. And that is a shame that that dude, he looked like he's no more than 20, 21 maybe. Showing a grown man how to manage his money. But you so dumb and such a rat that you're worried about where the message is coming from instead of taking the message that's coming, take it and run with it if it's good, if it's a good message. But no, not you, gutter rat. You think you cool. You think you this. You think you that. You don't got a pot to piss in, a refrigerator to put that nasty 2-liter you was drinking out of from the head. This is disgusting, man. I swear, you got any home training? God, that's disgusting watching you drink and swallow. Stop always picking your head down like, You know what I mean? It's like disgusting, bro. Disgusting. So, rat, I'm going to leave you with this, bro. Do not open up Pandora's box, bro. Do not poke me. Because you don't understand, bro. I keep grudges. I ain't saying it's a good thing, but I keep grudges. And bro, I will every day. You are on my mind. I know everything about you. You know why? Because I do my homework. You don't, rat. You know what? You try to fake it. You trying to fake people out talking about you get this check, that check. No, you're not. No, you're not. You work out labor ready and your butt better work because you ain't going to be able to pay for that stupid hotel room. So just stop lying. You're lying. And second, you're so predictable. I know when you go come on YouTube. Every time your booger filled hands get little money, you want to show it off on here. That's the only thing you want to do. And I would hate for that hotel person to take that money because they don't realize they got boogers and cum all over their fingers. Because you are a disgusting human being. You are. You are disgusting. So once again, bro, do not poke me no more. I will get you, bro. I will get you to the point where you think you could be laying next to your little faggoty father. Oh, because I know I'm gonna bear to beat you up, because you can't fight because you got a case. Remember? Yeah, I guess, But once again, rat, don't poke me again. Do not poke me again. Please don't, rat.